level. Really? League of Ignorance? Summon a smaller boss.
Even this, I even kept this leg up. More surface leg. For you to hit what you fed.
And as they level, like, I don't remember how it's level.
Oh, that was ass. I think you got the arm first.
Okay.
Thank you.
But that's at 20.
Did you get that arm?
You did. But it was in smoke.
Yes, I know. As long as I kill, as long as I take something from my dad.
So. So it's not too overpowered. Yeah. It's overpowered.